Hello friends, today I will show you how to create your own family. I will create today a window family. For this, here is the window. Click on the reference frame, then drag down the pop-up menu, click on the exterior. You will see here the window is designer, but I will design the window according to my view. I will change the window design wholly. For this, you can create the window of any design, depends on my creativity. For this, I will delete these lines. I will create a window up to the latest modern design. So drag this line up to the below line. Drag this line also below the line, touching the line. You will see the two lines are meet. The two lines meet the third lines. So I will create here a gap. For this, I will have to click on the divide button. Click on here. You will see the partition is created here. Now here I will create a two panel window. So here you will see, I will zoom it. Now you will see partition is created. Now click on this, drag it to the right, and here click on the same, drag it to the left. You will hear a partition is created. Now look towards this. Here is the gap. Close this gap. For this, I will delete this line. Delete this line also. Drag it to the down and touching it so that the square bubble is formed. Drag it in the same way to the below bottom here also. Now click on this. Here you will see, click on the 3D view. Here you will see that window is created, but here is a gap between the frame. So click on the exterior and I will delete this gap which is created between the frame. These are the reference planes which gives us the idea of how to create any design. So delete these lines, delete this line also, click on this, delete this, and here is the gap between the two lines. Delete also this. Now drag these lines to the lower line so that the two lines meet. Drag the same lines to the below. Drag this line also in the same pattern. Drag the end line also, and you will see that the window is two panel window is created, but here it is shown that the two lines intersect. So click on this, click on the divide wall. So here the partition is created between the two lines. Drag it to the left and drag it to the right, and just wait for a minute. Drag it, and you will see that we will drag it. Now click on this and you will see that here the window is created. Click on the 3D view and now look towards this. The window has been created, two panel window has been created, and you will see that I have created this own window family by myself. In the same way you can create this any type of pattern family which you want to create. And I want to create another. Click on this, click on this line. You will see that I will create a single frame at the top and two windows below this. So delete these lines, drag it to the left and delete this, drag it the same line in this pattern. Click on this, drag it, click on. Now you will see first off, is there any gap remaining between the two lines? Then the window is now created, and you will see that here the gap is. Why this gap is created? Because I have created two panel window and for the two frame also Now I want to create a single frame at the top and the two windows below, frame windows. So click on this, delete this line or drag it to the down, drag the same line to the below, drag it, click on the draft panel. You will see the two lines are not connected, so click on the draw line, click on this so that meets this line. Why I am doing this? Because I want to create a single frame at the top, single frame. So click on this, click on the here, click on this, and you will see the single frame is created at the top. So but click on the divide in the modify panel. In the same way, do the same thing in this side also, and drag these lines properly, drag this line below also, drag this line in the same way, drag it to the drag this line, drag this line also, and you will see in this title I have created a window by myself. Continue that, you will see that there is something open in this window. Yes, this is the point where the lines are open. You should have taken attention towards this while designing a family. Click on this, drag to the left so that it meets this line at the vertex. Click on this and you will see that the window is created, and in this you will see it is a 3D of this, and before this you will have said there is a gap between the top frame. Now the gap has been, and I want to load this in your project. Click on the yes, and I will have created a window and also change the parameters of this. I want to save this project. Now the project is being saved. So this is the plan where I have loaded this family. Move this frame, it is 3D view. Oh, you will see that the window is also loaded in the plan, and now we will see that is this window, if we change the material, is it really the material is applicable on this. So click on this, click on here, click on duplicate. We will change the name of this, because if we will not change the name, it will change the whole property of the it. Click on this panel material, we will change the material of the frame. So we will create here on a new material, rename it. So we will rename it, we will name it any as you wish. Click on this tab and we will apply a material from here. We will apply, click on the glass, search for the, we will apply the wood material. Click on this, click on here, okay. We will, the library is updating, click on ok. It's updating now, click ok now, click on ok, and you will see, just wait for a minute, you will see the material is applying on this window. That we will have created the window in a well defined way. A material is also applying in this. So click on this frame material, we will apply the material to the frame in the same pattern. Click the new material, click on this, click on ok, click on ok. Just wait for a minute and you will see there the material is also applied to the frame. Now we will change the, we will apply the material to the glass, we will change the frame inside. So we will create here a new material, click on this tab. So we will rename it first, Name it as you like. Click on this. Now click on the glass, search here this, apply any kind of glass which you want to like to apply on this. I will apply the blue glass. Click on OK. Click on OK and just wait for a minute and click. You will see that the material frame inside applying on this window. Zoom it now. We applied the material to the frame also. Thank you for watching.